Hey everyone, welcome back to the Enthusiast Mechanic. Today I'm going to show everyone how to reset your oil change reminder on a 2020 Acura RDX. Now what you're going to want to do is push your start button twice. We're just looking to get our display screens up and everything, and we're going to be using this joystick button. Now your vehicle is going to give you your seat belt signs and then push the start settings there and how to do it. So what we're going to do is, using this thumb wheel, we're going to scroll down until we find maintenance, and then you're going to press it and hold it. It's going to take about 15 seconds or so. It all really depends. Here you're just going to press it and keep it pressed, and eventually you should get this maintenance items screen. Now you can go through one by one here and select whichever items, or you can do all items, which is what we're going to be doing. And you're just going to press this once. You're going to get that screen up that says maintenance items reset, and then you are at 100%. So that's how easy it is to reset your maintenance light on a 2020 Acura RDX.